Alright, welcome everyone. We got tournament set up. Rush attack. Very fast. 3-star. No green. Okay. No green? What does that mean? It means that guy's your tank. Alright. And everything else we'll figure out. No green. So, big attack. Actually, I'll do that. Then this. One of those guys. How about that? That looks stupid, right? Yeah, but I think stupid's what's gonna happen here. I could put in Omer. Like right there. Then maybe his that side. I could just go all offense. Let's put another Nordry over here. Yeah, funny. I'm gonna do this. It's gonna fail a lot. That's fine. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Catch you with a war video a little bit later today. Alright.